What's going on, guys? I want to show you a decent little setup that happened when Jerome Powell was speaking during FOMC. So again, no rate cut. We kind of all knew and expected that that was coming, but a very, very muted, okay, FOMC press conference. Not a whole lot of price action to the upside as well as to the downside. What we're looking at right now is my Top Step X account. TraderVate with my Apex's accounts were down today. A little bit of a TraderVate platform issue. You guys have been trading, you guys kind of know what was going on there today. So decided to hop into the Express account here. Now we made $800, $803.50 today. Decent day trading futures. Tried to take a little bit of very, very small scalps between 5 micros all the way up to 1 mini contract, depending on the volatility in the range. Ultimately, we were trading below VWAP essentially all day today. Now, what you see on the screen is the 20 simple moving average. What I was kind of looking at here during that press conference speech was if you look at this 200 simple moving average on a 1 minute time frame. Okay, so we're looking at the 1 minute time frame here on the NASDAQ. You'll notice that we kind of put in these highs here. And then we started to pull back into this 200 SMA. When we started to pull back into the 200 SMA, I was kind of drawing out this bull flag and was looking for multiple touch points. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touch points here. Essentially what I did on one of the scalps with 1 mini contract was get long on the break and retest. So notice here, once we started to push up into and break through this downwards trend line, I was looking for the pullback into that broken trend line. Okay, so that's a break and retest, and I decided to go long here on the push. Now, what I like to do on my longs on break and retest is the candle that's retesting, I want to see a following candle confirm the previous candle high. Okay, so here's the break, here's the retest. I want to enter here on the confirmation candle that is confirming over the retest candle. Now this price was 26,194. In a matter of 10 minutes, shoots all the way up to 26,207. So just looking for very, very quick scalps. I was looking for, about 7 points, 8 points, 10 points if I was able to get it. Again, volatility wasn't that high, kind of a muted press conference. But that's one situation, one type of setup that you guys can look for. If you're trading down and around an area of support, and you notice we keep touching and touching and touching that area, and you notice a little bit of a flag pattern, right? So here's a high, here's the pullback into support. And if you can draw out this trend line, if you can draw out this flag pattern, wait for that trend line to get broken, wait for the retest, and if the market's going to be strong, you're going to get that confirmation and that continuation higher. So rewatch this video. If you need to kind of take some notes, the break and retest works on 30-minute opening ranges, works on 5-minute opening ranges, works on overnight, like a Asian session, high or low, London session, high, low. It works on whatever level you want it to work on. In this particular case, I was using the 200 SMA as support, and then I was waiting for support to get tagged off of putting in a previous high, and then I'm waiting for that trend line to get broken and retested. Okay, so again, it doesn't have to be the 200 SMA. You can use whatever moving average you want. You can use the VWAP, look for the break over VWAP, wait for the retest, and then enter in on the confirmation after that. If you guys need to practice this particular strategy, Apex is 90% off right now. You can get a 50K account for under $20 using code DAnthony. That link is down in the description box below. I will see all of you guys on the next video.